Hello YouTube and welcome to a new update something. I actually have made a kind of minigun pack to wear. You got actually two miniguns on the side. Today I'm going to show you how to make it. So wait a second. I got only one of these so far. So the piece you need one 2x2, don't matter which color it is, the color you like. You need also two of these. Now I'm putting it upside down. Then you need three of these. Sorry, I don't see where I'm filming. Two of these. Then you need these two. They're just sticks like lightsaber sticks, but then in gray. Then you need these pieces. And if you wear a helmet, you need one of these. So I actually get the idea from Kick-Ass. Yes, so there's the Kick-Ass flying with two miniguns in the back. I actually thought, I want to try to make that. So first you take this piece, and you take these ones and just put them on. And it looks like this. Then you take one of these and put them below it. Then you take another one of these and you put them this way. Then you got actually the basic of the pack. And you take these two things and put those on the side. Wait. And you get this. Then you put these ones on the front of it, like this. And then you put them on the back. Then there's only one thing left to do. You need, of course, one of these things. Yeah. And then we're going to put the back on the clone. You get this. So if you want to put the helmet on, see now it's not fitting well, you need to put this piece in the middle of that. I'm going to show you. So you put the piece here, middle, so our helm actually fits and don't go that easy off. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Please subscribe, thumbs up if you like it. If you can make it more practical, then please make a video and post the link below. Thank you for watching and bye guys.